Hey there, I'm Ashley with dailywealthonline.com. I'm just sharing another tip, tools, and tricks and hacks on my digital marketing channel. One of the things that I'm so excited about is Google. You can utilize Google in so many positive ways. Google is a search engine bar, right? This bar here is called a search engine bar. Now, SEO, if you're new to that terminology, stands for System Search Engine Optimization, SEO, search engine optimization. Now, typically you'll want to go to a search bar, and I found that a lot of people are searching for digital marketing. So let's go and put that in and see what happens. Now, I'm simply using this for the ability for me to look at keyword search. There is another platform, two or three, that you can pay for to look at keyword search engines and find it, but I'm giving it to you for free. So because I Googled digital marketing, oops, and I guess it might help to spell that correctly, right? Digital marketing, let's go there. It's going to bring up a list of sponsored ads. I usually don't mess with sponsored ads, so I'll scroll all the way down here. Now, this is a really cool tool. People also ask this: what exactly does a digital marketer do? So if I know that people are asking this, that tells me that Google is getting a high search traffic for these 4 and 5 questions. So Google Trends is telling me that what exactly does a digital marketer do? Boom, and it's answering this, right? Another one: how do beginners get started in digital marketing? Another one: is digital marketing hard for beginners? Is what are the top 7 digital marketing courses? What does digital marketing pay well, right? This says that most median salaries for a market research analyst or market specialist average $74,000. That's great money. So here's the thing: I can do 7 videos today. If I'm looking for content ideas, I simply just go to Google and I type in my keyword, and they suggest to me what it is that I could base my videos on. Brilliant, right? I absolutely love it. So next time I'll see you again, I will be sharing another tips, tools, tricks, and other hacks. Let me know if you have any questions. If you want to know what it is that I'm doing, type yes in the comments below. I'm happy to send you that link. I am with a digital marketing business that is a online interactive course that's done for me. I follow the step-by-step blueprint. I love what it is that I'm doing because it fits really well with my career that I'm doing. It only allows me to work 2 hours a day, and that's all I need. 2 hours a day to run a 6-figure or 7-figure business. I'll be doing this for the rest of my lives, you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.